Welcome to AI Essentials for Career Success, your gateway to mastering the transformative power of artificial intelligence in today's dynamic job landscape. This course is meticulously designed to equip you with the knowledge, skills, and strategic insights necessary to harness AI for professional ascendancy. Module 1. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Embark on a journey into the world of AI where you'll grasp the fundamental concepts, explore its multifaceted applications across industries, and trace its historical development. This foundational module sets the stage for your AI expertise. Module 2. Impact of AI on industries. Dive into the revolutionary influence AI has on sectors like healthcare, finance, and marketing. Through compelling case studies, discover the transformative potential of AI and uncover the burgeoning career opportunities it presents. Module 3. Leveraging AI for career advancement. Learn how to strategically integrate AI into your career plan. This module reveals the essential AI skills and competencies that are pivotal for professional success and offers practical advice on incorporating AI into your work. Module 4. AI Tools and Technologies. Get hands-on with the leading AI tools and platforms that are reshaping industries. Acquire the expertise to use AI software for data analysis, machine learning, and automation, and discover best practices to enhance productivity. Module 5. Ethical Considerations in AI. Delve into the ethical dimensions of AI, addressing critical issues like bias, privacy, and transparency. Develop a framework for promoting ethical AI practices in your professional endeavors. Module 6. Future Trends in AI and Career Opportunities. Gain a visionary perspective on the future of AI and the emerging technologies that will shape the industry. Identify the career paths and job roles that are on the horizon, and learn how to position yourself for success. Module 7. Capstone Project. Culminate your learning by applying AI concepts to a real-world project. Showcase your newfound skills, present your findings, and receive valuable feedback to guide your future career moves. AI Essentials for Career Success is not just about imparting information, it's about facilitating a profound transformation in your professional outlook. By the end of this course, you'll be well-versed in AI, poised to seize the opportunities it offers, and ready to thrive in an AI-driven world. Join us and unlock the door to a future where AI is your ally in career success.